Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your Duet settings, or in translation, how to set who can duet your videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking on the profile icon that's in the bottom right corner. Now, as we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes in our top right corner. We're going to select the third option that we have, or the last one, settings and privacy. Now we're going to select privacy again. That's the second option here. Now I'm going to scroll down a little. As you can see, below story, we have Duet, and it's set to everyone. For example, we don't want everyone to be able to duet our videos. So let's go ahead and change that. So you can see we have three options: everyone, followers that follow you back, and only me. For example, we don't want no one to duet our videos, so we're going to select only me. Now we're going to tap anywhere on the screen that's outside of this Duet little box. As you can see, now Duet is no longer set to everyone, it's set to only me, and no one can duet your videos. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!